Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily remove that short stop from YouTube mobile app. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin and first open up YouTube mobile app. Once you are on the app, it shows you short stop towards the top of that home page, and if you want to remove or hide that short stop, there is only one way how you can do that. All you have to do is right here at each short, find these three dots icon, then tap on that and select Not Interested. And you have to do it on each video. In that way, just select Not Interested one by one, and that may help you to hide this short stop. Once you closed or hide all the shorts, you can hop out or close YouTube app, then open it up again. And as you can see, there are no more short stop at your YouTube homepage. Sometimes it takes more time, so in some cases it may appear again once you open it up, and all you have to do is close shorts one by one in the same way and continue doing it 2 or 3 times until short stop will be hidden from your YouTube homepage. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my YouTube tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.